Pero ano po, mayroon po na yung sa kasama mo.
Today's round, we are playing stroke play and Olympics with good friends, golf buddies, Doy and Andrew.
You said we are friends.
Hindi, pag may laban, friends pa tayo ngayon, hindi pa nag-tee off. Pag nag-tee off na. Ayan. So for the stroke play, Doy, ilan ulit? 5, di ba? Ano ko ngayon? Doy? 15? 14. Ako kasi 8 point something. So tama, 5. 5 strokes. Then, good morning. Then for Andrew, he's asking for 4 strokes. Ayan, tapos we'll see the Olympics. Ha? 5 lang total. Total na total ano.
Grabe naman yun, 5-5
Ganda-ganda na short game mo. Okay, so for the stroke play, the big winner will be getting 100 pesos lang naman. Then for the putting Olympics, it's going to be 20 pesos na tayo per point. 20 pesos sa Olympics. 20 pesos per point. Okay, we'll see who is the big winner at the end of this round. We're starting the round here in Philippine Navy. It's going to be starting here sa 3rd hole. Very early in the morning. I think this is playing 190 yards. Let's go.
Piligan.
Ganda ka agad. Patong. Good shot ba that? Unless mas
Wow. Patay.
yan, pang Olympics yan. Yung ganyan.
Patay.
Oh, kasi may 1 point, easy 1 point ka na eh, mga ganun. Good shot. Alright, so for Olympics, I just landed right off the green. Sayang pin high. So it's downhill. It looks like it's right to left. Yan, 1 point. So 3 points is Drew, 2 ka, 1 ako. Okay, Andrew for birdie and for 3 points. Doy is for going for 2 points. I am for 1. Pasok. Wow! 3 points and birdie! Ang lupit! Pero alam mo, hindi mo pa rin na-solid ulit yung putt. Diba? Parang off the toe. Good putt, brother. Grabe. 3 Cortez, 3 points. Ang aga nun ha. Tsaka birdie pa. Good putt, brother. Bigay mo right wing. Right. Hati-hati. Inside na. Na firm. Okay. Okay na?
Take it. Wala na naman sa...
What a start by Mr. Cortez. So Olympic update, Mr. Cortez. Now 3 points. I am 1 point. Mr. Raimundo, none yet. Maganda lang yung simula ka. Hindi. Normally sa Olympics, maka second hole, third hole ka pa nagkaka-points eh. Makadahon. Okay, so 4th hole. Currently, Andrews 1 under. I'm even par. Doy is 1 over ka, Doy, no? Nag-bogey ka ba? Par?
Bogey.
Ayan, so may mulligan.
So, pwede ko na gamitin dito.
Pwede mo.
Uy.
Sana hindi ako.
Parang pwede.
Hey, landed right off the fairway in the trees. Hitting 130 yards with the pitching wedge. Andrew shot. I think he is considering punching this. Malakas lang. Malakas. Andrew and I are still off the green. Then si Doy is already putting for birdie. I am 11 yards away, or 11 yards to the pin. Looks like left to right na downhill. Olympian Cortez. Wow! 1 point na naman! Good shot, brother. Hina. 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 Good putt. Kala ko lip out na naman eh. Nanakot pa eh. Okay, drew for par and for 1 point to go 4 points sa Olympics. Good putt. Okay, hole number 5, playing 110 yards. So for Olympics, Mr. Cortez, 4 points. Ako, 1. Si Doy, none yet. Go! Go! Tropa! Tropa!
Ay, shot! Hole in one a ball! Ay, nag-straight! Nice shot!
Doy to go up and down for par. Wow, Olympian!
Galing naman!
Okay. Andrew again for birdie. And 3 points. So Doy has that putt for par. And for 2 points, ako for 1 point. Okay, Andrew again for birdie. This is to go to under. Ah, ginagawa mo na rin na out mo. Ah, ngayon na medyo basa. Good putt, good par. Still 1 under, Mr. Cortez. Okay. Mr. Raimundo for 2 points and for par. Hati-hati pa to sa kanan, Wena. O right inside ko na. Na firm. That's good.
Birdie.
Nice, buddy!
Birdie, birdie.
Ay, nga, birdie pala yun. That was a good birdie. So I am now even par. Doy I think is 2 over. Andrew is 1 under. Tapos sa Olympics, Drew is 4 points. I am 2. Doy is none. Wala pa pala si Doy. So hole number 6, 343 yards. Dog leg left. Kaliwa.
Alright! 5 foot lang for me
Oh,
5 foot lang
actually. Andrew's second shot, he punched out. Nice out. 136 yards to the flag. Buti nilang tumama sa puno. Hitting a pitching wedge.
Bite. Tama na.
Olympian na. Sobra pa yun. Okay, Andrew's second shot. Around 100 yards. Ay, pulled. Safe. Olympian din! Olympian din! Nasa fringe. Good shot. Pang 3 points ah! Olympian ah! I went over the green, slightly over the green. I am chipping for birdie. right to left. Medyo regular lang tayo, diba? Hindi naman mabilis, hindi mabagal. Tapos si Andrew is also chipping pero for par. Four points. Yan, yan pwede mo i-give. Please. Paki-give please. 3 points. So 1 point here. 1 point here. Para mahina, Drew. Makapal yung damo. So, okay, Doy for 3 points and I think for par. Thank you. Mahina rin. Ay, pasok pala. 3 points! Grabe! Okay, nakahabol na. So, 4-3-3. 4-3-3. Par yun, Doy? Good par, brother. Good investment. Good investment. So, Andrew to take a 3-point lead. Uy! That's good, brother. Okay, hole number 7. 327 yards. Putting Olympics update. Andrew is still leading 4 points. Ako and si Doy, because of that long putt ni Doy, we're tied at 3.
From 1 under to 2 over.
Talaga ba? Oo nga,
Triple. At triple ka?
So, 2 over.
Small.
Ganda, Doy.
Perfect.
Ganda. Good shot, brother.
Nice shot.
Wow! Layo!
Perfection.
Shortcut? Ah!
Naku, nag-face.
Went to... Nasa punuan na naman tayo. Binibining Amazona. Mga... Loko ka.
2025 na.
Tira 50.
Apo. Bite. Balik.
Andrew taking it medicine also. Good out, brother. Tumama pa sa puno. Sa branch. Okay lang yun. Ako. Okay, Doy with around 120 yards to the flag for his second shot. Ganda, Doy. Perfect yan. Kick right pa yan eh. Nice shot for bird. Need to punch out again. Walang tira sa taas. Bahala na, 100 yards. Ay, lakas pa rin. Tama na. Maganda ng kuha. Hindi nag-draw. Maganda yung kuha. Landed right of the green. 22 yards to the flag. I will try to nip it 22 yards with a 60-degree wedge. Bakas, Luigi! Anak ka ng tete. Uy, 4 points pa sana! Double bogey.
4 points yan, ay 3 points yan.
4. Kasi galing sa... Okay, Andrew again for par and for 3 points. Three points na naman. Okay. Good putt. That's good, brother. Doy for birdie and for 2 points. Nakuha! Birdie and 2 points. Okay, Doy now leading sa Olympics. 6. Hindi, 5 4 4. Oh, nag 3 points siya, tsaka 2 points eh. 5-4-4, okay. What a birdie. Gumagaling pag may pustahan.
Hole number 8. That was very unfortunate double bogey for me.
Tapos si Andrew, I think, bogeyed. So I'm still 3 down sa kanya because mayroon siyang +4. Doy, beautiful birdie. And 2 points. Naku, ang ganda. I-hole-in-one mo na para tapos na. Parang short. Olympian! Olympian! Nasa fringe.
Oh! Slight pull. Ay, grabe, ang layo, Luigi.
Doy's second shot. Matigas yung green. Olympian! Olympian! Ay, hindi. Okay. So Andrew is just a little off the green. So, chance for 4 points pa siya. And for birdie. I landed off past the green. Masyadong maganda yung tama ng bola. So, hitting a 60-degree wind. I am 25 yards to the flag. Left to right to wena, di ba? Ito kailangan pakagatin, di ba? Maliit lang sa kaliwa, no?
Opo. Halos grip lang yan.
Ako, lakas pa rin. Ba't ang lalakas? Four. Ay! Natalo pa sa... Alam pala lang. Doy, ano yun, for 3 points. And for par. Pasok mo naman. Yung mga normal ginigib na natin as friends pero hindi natin mabigay sa stroke eh. Ay, ako pala. Ang bigay mo right inside na. Naku ka! Double pa. Andrew for 1 point. Good par and 1 point. 5-5-4. Naglaro kami na. Inaya ko yung mga barkada ko dati mag-Olympics. Alam mo, natapos kami 2-1-0 sa Riviera. Ang hirap dun sa Langer pa kami. Sabi ng mga caddy, sir, wag kayo dito nag-Olympics, masyadong mahirap, di kayo mag-enjoy.
Actually.
Nice spot. Bogey.
Okay,
hole number 6. 9 pala, sorry, 9. Par 5 for 511 yards. So for Olympics, 5-5-4. Okay. Tama.
Nagbibilangan tayong dalawa ng stroke. Si Doy ang leading yata.
5-4-4. Oh, kasi laki ng plus. Hindi, 5 lang siya. Plus 5 sa akin.
So sa akin, plus 2.
6. Ay!
Plus 2 siya sa akin. Tama? Plus 3 ako sa'yo, diba?
3. Oh, sorry, 3.
Oo, 3.
3 na lang. Tapos sa kanya. So, 2. Ganda.
Drive.
Perfect.
Wala nang plus. Bawin ko na.
Ganda.
Huwag sa bunker.
Hindi. Para kaliwa ng bunker. In-over mo pa nga eh.
Draw.
Andrew chipping for eagle, mga 30 yards to the flag. Ganda. Okay, we are chipping for birdie. 18 yards to the flag, left to right. Need to nip it.
Bye.
Top spin. Doy for birdie and for 4 points. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Okay na yan, Doy. That's good. 8 paces.
Hindi na lang ulit kami nito. 2v1.
Tambak nyo nga ako eh. Ano bigay mo? 8. Kung 8, 8 pa rin. Sa dating butas. Ganyan kalaki. Okay. Mabagal ba to sa regular?
Packet pa ba ang gawin?
Sa regular lang.
Karga mo ng konti, sir.
Good bogey save.
Okay. For birdie and for 1 point. Kuha. Good bird. Good birdie. Good birdie. Birdie at 2 points. Oo nga, no? So, 7, 6, 4. 7, 6, 4. Okay. Hole number 10. 100, mga 150 yards siguro to the flag. Play namin, tahimik lang si Mr. Raimundo. Pero mukhang siya ang leading. At saka si Andrew. Humingi pa to ng plus eh. Dapat dito binibigyan ng plus eh.
Ito nga yung dapat binibigyan ng plus oh. Naman, sakto na naman, Doy. Hole in 1 mo na.
Hoy! Ganda ng talon! Kinabahan ako ng... Patong din. Uy, left naman talaga.
Mas maganda yung... Yan ang hole in 1 ko.
I-correct mo.
We are just... Andrew is just short of the green. I am left of the green. Saya pin height pala sana. Hindi naman pala over. Then Doy is spotting for birdie and for most likely 3 points. Malakas. Muntik pa si Olympian. Ano to, Wena? Kaliwa? Mabilis ano?
Bilis man ang sama naman.
Kaliwa. Yan. Ano bigay mo? Sa kaliwa nung light brown na Devot. Ayan. Tama. Yan din yung tinitingnan ko. Medyo may bilis na pagbaba doon, ano? Thank you. Kala ko 3 points and birdie. Tapos mo. Oh. Right inside na.
Left.
Kaya pala hindi mag-aaway pa pala. Hindi pala mag-aaway. Nice spot. We skipped hole 11 because medyo mabagal yung flights in front of us. So it's playing 150 yards pero with the wind. Olympic update. Andrew is 7 points.
9 points.
9 pala, sorry. 9.
9. Ano nga ba?
965? 965. Behind.
Ganda pa rin ang line.
To bunker.
Olympian.
Pero mahirap na Olympian yan. Ako, ganda. Hole-in-one muna.
Hole-in-one.
Para may nanalo na.
Go!
Wow! Nice. Okay, landed right off the fairway. Other fairway. 30 yards. Left to right, tama? Kaliwa ko konti, mabilis. Okay. Subukan natin. Inip. Wow, ang bilis.
Bite. Hello, good morning. Shoutout naman kayo. Shoutout sa asawa mo.
Shout out kay Sheila.
Ikaw, may nakita ka na ba?
Shout out sa mga asawa ko.
Wow, mga.
Okay, I'm putting for par and for 3 points. Andrew for 2, Doy for 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pero si Andrew is putting for birdie. Doy, parting for par ka, no? Si Doy, par. Lagpas pa dun sa ano na yan. Regular lang. Mabagal ng konti. Okay. Hindi bumali.
Laka ng bigay mo, sir eh.
Dun, naka-aim nga ako sa gitna nun eh. Parang dito pa lang kumaliwa siya eh. Andrew putting for birdie and 2 points. Yun, nakuha na naman. 3 birdie na yan ah. Pinirahan ako ng kaibigan ko. Good bird, brother.
Eh, kasi naman.
11? 11 points na. 11.
5 strokes yung binigay sa akin nung una, tinalo pa ako.
Okay, maniwala dyan. Prank yun. And 1 point. Uy! Pakimark. Okay na yan, brother. Hole number 13. Andrew is now at 11 points. Doy is at 6. And nangungulelat ako at 5. Hindi ko pa alam sa stroke play. Malamang kulelat din. Ganda. 4 4! O si Wena na naman. Hindi niya nakita yun eh. Nag-draw lang. Ay, nag-fade ng konti.
Uy!
For right! Andrew, 255 yards. Ganda. Good shot, brother. Good shot, brother. Okay, playing 240 yards to the flag. Hitting a 3-wood. Bahala na, we'll go for it. Buti na lang, wala kaming 300 ngayon ni Wena. Talagang pinarinig. Dumulas!
Four!
For left! Kabig. Dumulas yung... Okay, this is the challenge. Getting over this fence. Tignan natin kung... Pero feeling ko hindi naman siya masyado factor. Although I need to try to hit it high. Okay, hitting my 60-degree wedge. Thank you. Oh, nagre-reklamo ka pa yata eh. Okay na yan at least. 60. Open na nip style, hindi flop. Subok lang. Hindi, tsaka pwede kasi i-place eh. So, parang inangat ng konti.
Alam ko nga, parang ipo-full swing clap cut mo.
Doy for everyone for birdie? Everyone for birdie. So, Mr. Raimundo, representative of Pasig Olympics. Batting for 4 points. Talaga hindi lang tatawa. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yung mga anak mo nagkalat.
Sa'yo yan eh. Sa 17 yun sa'yo eh. Ganda. Sakto lang.
Tama lang pala.
Sakto lang. Good putt, brother. Drew for 2 points. 1 point. And for another birdie. On fire. Uy! Mabait, mabait pinagbigyan ko. Para daw friends pa rin daw kami after.
Ano to? Ano to? Kanan?
Buti lang hindi namin ginib yung pangalawa, so may penalty siya isa. Nice par.
Ay, nako.
Tama ba?
Same. 11,
6'5",
6.
11'6'5". Okay.
Yun, oh.
Ganda.
Yun. Good.
Gitnang gitna.
Sa aim na talaga. Ganda ng ganda ng tempo.
4! Ay, okay lang. Pero draw. Ang layo ng gulong. Layo ng gulong. Guys, shot brother.
Tama na.
Still 300 yards. Gundo naman. Ito pala yung kaibigan natin talagang ginaganahan pag may pustahan eh. Kaya pala kahit 10 piso lang yung sinasabi niya eh. Oo eh. Buti lang hindi ako umabot sa bunker. Gumulong siya palabas. I'm making this a 3-shot hole with my 6 iron. Wow! Si SB Andrew. Sandbag. Ako si Bini. Bini Luigi. Ito si UG. Si UG Doy. Si SB 19. Kasi mahiwagang salamin.
Nice shot.
Kaliwa.
Sulit.
Olympian from Pasig. Olympian from Parañaque, Mr. Cortez.
Gusto ko nga na.
Ipato. Oo nga eh. Actually, alam ko. Okay, 50 yards to the flag. Mabilis yan eh, di ba? Hindi, tirang normal na lang.
Ay! Yun na nga, yung lie. The killer lie. Olympian Luigi. Yun. Ganda.
4 points!
Nice shot.
Thank you. Okay, Olympian Raimundo. Ganda na talaga ng chipping ni Doy. May kanan. Kanan. Right to left. Best chance to get 3 points. Come on, Luigi.
2 ako, 1 si Doy.
Okay, tama. 1, 2, 3.
Mas malapit ako. Mas malapit.
Ikaw pinakamalapit.
Pala, nilakasan ko na.
Ganun ka confidence na sa patting ha. With the new putter. Kanan. Right inside the firm. Papamundo mo?
Oh!
1 point. Mr. Cortez, 11 points. Mr. Raimundo, 7. Mr. Malyari, nangungula lahat. 5 points. Kailangan maka-chip in. 7 ka na. 7. 11, 7, 5. Okay, hole 15. 442 yards. Come on, Luigi. Isang magandang drive naman. Alignment lang pala talaga yung sa'yo, Doy. Ganda na, oh. Ang layo na ng drive mo dyan with your stealth.
Layo na.
Ang layo na nung sa dati mong Honma. Ay, HP Cobra.
Nice shot.
Ganda rin, perfect yan. Tsaka perfect yan line na yan. Good shot, brother. Ito naka-right.
Uy, ngayon lang yan, Luid siya.
Taking my medicine to here, palayo.
Tama na.
220 yards hitting for iron. Kumakanan yung bola ko ngayon. No? Kanan pa rin. Halak ka ng... Okay, Mr. Raimundo from the outside for 4 points. Malakas. Halakan layo. 1 point. So, Drew for 3. I'm for 2 points. Doy for 1 point.
Ganda, brother. Yun. Nice spot.
Okay. Doy to take second place sa Olympics for silver medal.
Ito ilang points?
1. Diba? 11-8-7. Game Luid, subok. Para you're still undefeated for 2025. So hole 16, playing 105 yards. It's with the wind.
Wow, yun na, Doy. Ay, ano na dyan? Nice shot. Hole in one, brother.
Hole in one.
Hole in one. Uy, short pala.
Ay, kanan. Kanan pa rin. Doy for 3 points and for birdie. Everyone for birdie. Andrew for 2 points. I have this long putt for 1. Mahina pa yun? Mahina pa yun? Parang binomba mo na. Bagal ah. Yan mismo? Okay. Tapos plus 1 na firm. Dong paurong na lang sa kaliwa ko. That's good. Ayan yung bola ni Drew. Kanan man.
Yung bola na sa'yo.
Joke lang.
Nice spot.
Okay, hole number 17. Playing 175 yards. Olympics 11-8-7 pa rin. Ay, sayang nag-draw sa dulo. Kick right yan eh.
Wow, draw.
Oh, yan ang maganda. Ay, hindi na tumuloy yung draw. Olympian from Pasig.
Nice shot. There's the Luigi I know.
Uy!
Grabe! Sit! Grabe!
Gawin niya yata.
Ano yan, 8?
Doy and I are still outside of the green. I went over the green. Hindi ko na take into consideration na it's downhill, downwind. Kanan, di ba?
Dito may brown na ba mo?
Oo, dun sa gitna, ano? Okay. Mabilis.
Mabilis doon. Dito yung doon.
Di pa ma-shoot. Ay, bigay. Andrew for birdie and for 2 points. Ay, sorry, 3. Birdie and 3 points. To go 14. Okay na yan? Doy for, yan, for 2 points yan, Doy. Ako for 1.
Laylay! Wintik pa, buti na lang pababa yung ulit. Buti ito, oh. Takot na takot.
Tama? 11.98. Okay, 11 points, 9 points, 8 points. Ako kulelat. Gold medalist, si Andrew. Silver, si Mr. Raimundo from Pasig. Ito, anak ng Pasig! Hole 18. Last 4 holes. Mandatory layup. Around 140 yards. Hitting a pitching wedge. Naku. Stop. Stop. Okay, good shot, brother. With the wind naman. Good shot, brother.
Nice shot. Perfect. Tama na. Yun. Nice okay. Oh!
Kanan. Ganda, brother. Patong. Ayun, lumabas sa bunker. Ganda ng tira. Ganda, linis. Good shot, brother. Playing 216 yards to the flag. Hitting a 4-iron.
Abot mo.
Matalbog lang talaga yung fairway ngayon. Mr. Raimundo's third shot. 120. Ayun, lumabas. Ay! Parang lumabas. Drew for his third shot. And also Doy for his third shot. Ganda naman yan. Good shot, brother. Sakto yung pinabagsakan mo. Kala ko ng mga dinudukot mo. Doy's third shot. Medyo mahirap. Nice out! Grabe naman yung Olympian na yan. Nice shot, Doy. Ayoko na. Ayoko na ng kapustahan pala to. Nice shot, Doy. Hindi right to left yan? Okay. +1. Na firm. Okay. Layo.
Go!
Wala nang pupuntahan. Tama yung linya ni Wena. Humina na yung pagkapal. Kay Andrew, grabe to go 13 points na pala to. To go 13. Uy. Take it. So hindi pala starting. Last 3 holes. Hole number 1, 471 yards. I might just lay up. Hindi, go for it na. I might go for it na pala. Go for it. Since lamang naman na talaga sila sa stroke play.
Ay, kanan.
Have to take my medicine again. Have to take my medicine. Punch out 50 yards. Sobra! Ang lakas!
Bye. Ang loko.
Yan, bumalik! Okay. Masyadong nata. Too much ang aking punch. Medyo got scared of the water. 144 yards to the flag. Need to punch another 7 iron. Hopefully umabot.
Angat. Yun, tumalon.
Masyadong 30 yards left to right sa may dahon. Ganun kalaki ah. Okay. Regular na tira na lang.
Nice shot.
Sobra pa rin. Dapat pala ninip ko. Happy ako dun sa Drew for another birdie for his 4th of the round and also for 3 points. Si Doy pa ang 2. Olympian pala from Pasig. So I have 6 paces for par. Tapos si Doy is still outside. Either 4 points or 1 point na lang to. Kung sakali. Okay. Doy for 2 points. Ako... sorry. Doy for 1. Ako 2. Nako!
Delikado yung tripad.
Yan na. Hindi pumali. Doy for 2. 1 point. Naku, nakabit. Naku, nag-1 din. Ninervous na naman.
Walang play dyan.
Wala na. Sa stroke play, malamang-lamang na sila. So, hole number 2, 447 rights. Dog leg left.
Wow.
Ganda na.
Nice shot. Layo do yun. Nice shot.
Bumalik yung old swing mo dun.
Oo. Parang nga. Ganda. Yan ang maganda. Ganda naman yan. Perfect. Perfect. Grabe. Nilinyahan yung puno eh.
Actually, doon ako naka-aim sa bridge. Kasi in-anticipate yung okay, Andrew, second shot. Left with 20. For right? For right! For right! Ay, tumama. Bumalik. Ayun, bumalik siya. Sa may puno. Pangatlong mga ganyan mo na, no? Kabig. Nakabig.
Ganda sana ng contact. Asa na? Naku, mukhang lumusot.
Hindi lumabas. 137 yards with the wind. Hitting a pitching wedge.
Kick left.
Thank you. Thank you. Andrew's third shot. Wow! Good shot, Drew. Grabe namang up and down yan. Good shot, brother. Ha? Good shot, good shot. Buti nakita pa rin.
Nice shot.
Okay, so ako 3 points. Si Doyan 2. Okay, putting for birdie. May linya. Sayang for the lead sa... yan. Uy!
Ito na naman mga criminal distance na naman.
We are playing the last hole, 11th hole. 295 yards. Good shot, Doy. Nice!
Uy, wala.
Ang bilis ng swing ko. Nagmadali, oo. Nagmadali. Ngayon, nag-aalakan. Second. Ay, sorry, Doy. Tira ka na pala.
Pero sakto eh. Ganda oh. Bang! Sit! Nice shot, Doy. Galing.
Maganda yan. Ay pa.
Naku. Iwas 3 putts lang. Okay.
Three putts
Ako
minus.
3 points. Oo. Ako 3 points. Si Doy 2. Si Andrew
Sa
1.
Iggy pa pala, nasa loob.
Ang lakas ng sip. Lupok.
Mahina.
Naku, minus 1 point pa.
Basta, naku, wala pa naman yung pamalo.
Break 80 pa.
Ala, Doy, lakas din.
So minus
Kailangan mo rin gawin. Kailangan mo rin gawin niya.
Nanib sa minus 1. Alam mo yung last 3 holes din doon yung lahat halos minus 1. Kinabahan lang. Andrew for 1 point. Lagpas din. Uy! That's good, brother. That's good. Nakuha din. Ay, nanganib. Salamat. Idol, thank you. Thank you, Idol. So, natapos ang aming Olympics. The big winner for today is Mr. Cortez from Parañaque. He won my 100 pesos. Drew, congratulations. May kulang pa akong 40.
Sige lang.
Gcash ko na lang yung 40.
Kulang. Bali 140, no?
Pares tayo 140 kay Andrew.
Yes.